Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss about different types of buttons. First of all, let's take the basic HTML and text quick button and name it a simple button. And the type of the button would be button only. Another button, uh, it would be reset button, and the type would be reset. Another button, it would be submit button, and the type would be submit. Okay, let's open it on the browser with the help of live server. Okay, the button has been appeared in the screen. Now if we click on the button, nothing is happening, nothing special is happening, because a reset button and submit button doesn't work without form like simple button. Reset button and submit button works with the form field. That's why let's take a form, and let's take a input field, and we assign a name attribute to the input field, and uh, let's name it name. Okay, now let's bring the reset button and submit buttons in the form field. Okay, now let's go to our browser and see the form has been appeared in our browser. If we now the form has been appeared on the browser, and if we fill the input field with any text and click on the reset button, the form field will be cleaned. That means the field becomes clean with the click of reset button. That means the role of the reset button is to cleaning the input field for further fill up. Okay, if we click on the submit button, then the form redirect to our link, that is, that makes a link, and the name which we typed on the input field has been appeared uh, with the name attribute. Okay, then we come to know that the different types of buttons work in different role. That's why we have learned the basic types of buttons, and thank you for watching this video.